Hello, welcome back. Pescado con mojo rojo canario. You heard me. Now, in essence, what this is fish which are going to boil. And it can be any kind of fish, could be cod, could be whatever you want, whatever fish you want. And you're going to eat it with a mojo rojo canario, which is in essence is a kind of a sauce that you make, and is from the Canary Islands, which is located west of northern Western Africa, and is a island from Spain. Um, as a bonus, I'm going to also, because I'm boiling the fish, I'm going to make a broth. So might as well show you how to do that too. So go nowhere. Let's have some fun. Remember to like, subscribe, and if you believe in my creations and the way of eating healthy, share. Let's create. So you have a piece of fish, whatever fish you want, and it could be cod, it could be tilapia, whatever fish you want. The one I have here is called hot dog fillets. The important thing is that you have to cut it, into like, rectangle, square, whatever. Typically in Canary Islands, this fish is already salted, and you have to go to a process where you take the salt out. It might take a little bit, several minutes, 40 minutes, because you have to do 1, 2, maybe 3 times. I don't have to do that because I already have fresh fish. Now, what you do is you're going to boil water. You're actually going to boil the fish. If you were making a sancocho canario from Canary Islands, you would have potatoes, maybe a batata, which is kind of potato but different. I don't know the name in English. And you would have boiled it, and then you take them out, the water, and then you serve them with the mojo. The red mojo rojo, which is the one I'm going to be preparing next. However, I'm not going to do sancocho. I don't want to eat starchy foods today, so no potatoes. I'm going to focus on the fish and the mojo, which is the sauce, the red mojo, or mojo rojo canario from Canary Islands. So what I'm going to do, because I'm not going to do that now, I'm going to do something slightly different. I'm going to maximize my time. I have here some carrots, celery, a couple of garlic cloves, and onions. If I'm going to boil this, I might as well take advantage and use the water to create broth at the same time than doing this. So I'm doing 2 things at once. Taking advantage of the fact I'm boiling some fish and creating a broth. Might as well, right? And because the fish is not the salted variety, because I can find it fresh, I put a little bit of sea salt, the grainy one. Why not, right? And I'm going to let it cook. So the fish appears to be done. Let me take a look. Yeah. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to get it out here carefully so it doesn't break. I had it here for about 20 minutes, by the way.